What's good with y'all YouTube? It's your boy MET XRO, man. We back again with another video. Today I'm gonna try to hit y'all with a live trading video. Today I'm gonna try to hit y'all with a live trading video. It's that simple, man. You know what we looking for in the market today. Today basically what I plan on entering is it just gave me an entry, and hopefully, I'll respect it. That's one sell, boom. So yeah, I basically got this supply and demand drew up right here, and what I'm seeing is basically just a supply and demand. It's a counter trend setup. I'm not really gonna try to target nothing crazy because it's already a counter trend setup. I don't like doing that. So counter trend setups, I try to go for like a near 1-to-1 or some in that nature, you know. But it is Wednesday, so we just seeing if we can get some today, man. That's all it really is. Let me go on NT4. NT4, yes sir. I'm not NT4. Trading view. Okay, come on, bro. We do this every time. I don't think I'm gonna be grabbing this no time soon, buddy. Not gonna lie. So yeah, we're as you can see, this is the 5-minute. It also had a 3-minute demand as well. Did it? Okay, maybe that was another pair. I'm tripping. Well, okay, it did. It was just up here. Let me adjust that for y'all real quick so y'all can see. Yeah, that shit. I could have got in earlier, but you know what I'm saying? Shit happens, man. It is what it is. So basically, we're just chilling, just seeing if we can get something in the market today. If not, then it is what it is. I'm gonna just hop on the game and just chill for the rest of the day. But yeah, just thank y'all. So I guess we can just talk about shit. So I just want to thank y'all for the support in the last video, man. Y'all went crazy. I appreciate all. I always appreciate support. You know what I'm saying? I always gotta say it in every video, cause you never know, bro. Shit, I always gotta just say it. Why not? It ain't gonna hurt nobody. Babe, man. If y'all ain't follow me on IG, make sure to go follow me on IG. You know what I'm saying? I post my live trades, when I trade, when I don't trade, all that good stuff. And I'll follow back. You know what I'm saying? If you got any questions about trading or something of the sort, just hit me up. I'll text you back. I follow back. I'm not Hollywood. I text everybody. I'm cool with everybody on there, man. So hopefully this thing can keep melting. We got in like what I say like right at the zone. Let me go back to the 5-minute to get my entry right though. Let me see. We got in like right. Fuck, man. Trying to make like I don't know. I got when it comes to this shit, I got OCD. Like I want my shit to be perfect. But I guess this is a decent sized stop loss. I'm not even gonna cap. We might low key just target a 1-to-1. See if we can hit that, and then if we can, then yeah. But we just gonna see, man. We just gonna take shit slow, take shit easy. Not going for no crazy fucking. Not trying to go for no damn. If this is a regular day, I would go for this right here. If it was a regular day, but as you can see, it's not a regular day. It's well, it is a regular day, but I don't know. It's just alright day, man. So we just gonna see. We just gonna chill, see what happens, see if we can. So yeah, I see on the 5-minute. I definitely see some resistance up here. So hopefully we can drop. That would be nice. No cap. So yeah, hopefully we can drop right here. I do see some resistance. It's definitely tapped up here, 3 times? I guess you could call that a triple top. Yeah, triple top. So yeah, man. Just seeing if we can get anything today. I gotta check news. Make sure no more news today. That's one thing y'all always gotta check, bro. Always make sure you check news, cause the amount of times I've gotten into trades and like news destroyed me, it's crazy. But yeah, like this is an easy TP though. I don't know, bro. Like Tripping for. But I know one thing for sure. If it come back to break, if it come back to our entry, I'm getting out, bro. I'm getting out. Because it pushed down a decent amount. And it's Wednesday, and I'm not trying to go through no crazy losses. And if it just pushed back up to my entry, I'm going to just hop out the trade. Simple as that, bro. Just trying to have a chill day. Yeah, so that's a little. Let's look at the 15-minute while they go. We had fat ass news this morning. So this is a 5-minute demand, well, supply and demand, and a 3-minute supply and demand. So do I target? Like, I don't want to be greedy or nothing. You know what I mean? I just want to target decent areas. You know, I don't want to just. I'll target right here. I'll target right here. Maybe. Let's see, man. Yeah, I'm gonna just target down there. Just target down there, and then hey, if it hit it, then it hit it. That'd be nice. And you could watch this video. I could make this video, and we both could go about our day. You know. So we just gonna see, man. Yeah, that's. I feel like it's gonna pull back. So I'm honestly, I think I'm finna just take this 200. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna take that 200, yo. Yeah. That was a little over 1-to-1. So that was just a simple ass trade, like on some real shit. Like in these live trading videos, I don't know what to say to y'all. Like trading, bro. Let me put you on some game. When you find your strategy, you master your strategy. When you master your strategy, you know what I'm saying? You know exactly what you're looking for in the market. All you do is come to the market, mark up your shit, and then once you see your setup, execute the trade. There's nothing else more to be done. Don't overcomplicate it. Don't, oh my God, what happens if I do this? I'm scared to lose. If I lose, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to do this. Bro, look, keep your risk management on point, and you won't have to worry about that shit. Like, the reason I'm not scared to lose is because I know what the fuck I'm risking. I know what I'm risking, and I know that if I lose, for one, a losses happen. I'm cool with losses. And you know what I'm saying? Shit, my strategy, I have a decent strategy. You know, I have a decent strategy. My strategy isn't always on the lose, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna make me money, like the decent amount. But the times that it loses, it's no big deal because I know my strategy works. So if you lose a trade or like lose a couple of trades, for one, make sure your strategy actually works. And if your strategy actually works, just understand either the week you're trading is bad, and you know, stuff like that. So if you just lose a couple times, don't try to switch your strategy. Because I've seen a lot of people, it's NFP week, they talk about, oh, I'm taking a whole lot of losses, it's not a good week for me. Hey, bro, look, it's NFP week, bro. Don't be mad at yourself, but just look, like, one thing in NFP week, you gotta trade smart. You gotta trade good setups. It's a lot of news, and if you feel like NFP week is too overwhelming and you know you have problems like over trading and stuff, stay away from NFP week. Because I can definitely tell y'all that in a lot of my trading history and shit, like NFP week has been terrible for me. Like, cause I wasn't managing my risk. I was just doing all the shit you shouldn't be doing. And NFP week can really make people blow their accounts. Like, I'm not even talking about just on Friday. I'm talking about through the whole week. Like, you gotta know how to trade this shit. You can't just be out here taking every single setup. You gotta know how to take certain setups and just keep your risk, because anything can happen in NFP week. NFP, god damn, spit it out. NFP week has been crazy, but I'm not trying to talk y'all ears. I just want to give y'all a little bit of tip here and there. Pause. Whoa, what the fuck? Oh god. Pause, man. But hey, man, this MET XRO, we getting better with the X though. I know you see it, but yeah, the trade going our way. We finished. That was a quick 200. I don't know how long, but hey, bro, like trading is this simple. A lot of people try to overcomplicate it. Like, bro, I don't have 15 monitors. I literally only have one monitor, and this motherfucker is a school computer monitor. That's it. As long as I can mark up my trades when I want to, and do everything I need to do. I don't need to run GTA or no crazy shit. As long as I do what I need to do, I'm cool. So yeah. So I'm about to go enjoy my day, man. Hope y'all enjoy y'all day. I think I'm gonna upload this today. So yeah, the day y'all see this, the day I recorded this. But yeah, I'm gonna just shut the hell up. Get ready, just go on with my day. Hope y'all learned something from this video. Make sure to click the link in the description down below. Follow me on IG, AMETXRO. And we going, man. Yeah.